So this is your SmartWatch Pro. Let's check it out. What's up guys, compliments of the season. This is sort of like a follow-up video from the last Oraimo SmartWatch review I did on the channel. That was earlier this year, and Oraimo has just released a pro version of that same smartwatch. Now there are some improvements and differences here and there between the new pro version and its predecessor, and we start to see that right from the unboxing. But first, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this is your first time seeing my pretty much black face, welcome back. Fisayo, well done sir. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Moving on to the unboxing experience, it's quite similar to that of the Oraimo smartwatch, with the highlighted features printed on the sides. Another major difference you'd notice on here is that the color scheme of the watch on the packaging is the silver and grey combo, and that's what we should expect inside the box. Opening the box, we're greeted with a familiar look with the watch in its full glory, staring right back at you in the new sleek color combination. But putting that to the side, we'll get back to that in a bit. We also get a charging cable as well as a welcome guide. Now the watch actually does feel heavier than the Oraimo smartwatch, and that's because of the silver steel material that goes all around the watch this time around. And I've got to admit, this is by far the best color combination I've seen in a smartwatch in a long time, and this just feels way more premium. Also, the strap that comes with the watch in the box is a more streamlined one without the designs running along the surface like on its predecessor. I mean, Oraimo actually came through eventually with different color options of straps to get as standalones to attach with your smartwatch, like I kind of predicted in my Oraimo smartwatch video. But I couldn't find any extra straps for sale on their website, but hopefully that will come in later. So if you haven't watched that video, it'll be the first link in the description below just for you to check out. So now you have different colors of straps to choose from, and they are very affordable, including a more premium leather strap at a slightly higher price point this time around. Now turning the device on, you'll be greeted with a more cleaner watch face than the previous version, and this just makes more sense, to be honest. And in addition to the same features on the Oraimo smartwatch I reviewed earlier, this new Pro version comes with some extra features included, like 11 new fitness modes in addition to the previous 13 fitness modes on its predecessor, and a new and improved heart rate sensor, along with 2 new very interesting features, which are the blood oxygen measurement and the respiratory rate monitor. So basically, Oraimo made this for the daily workout people and older people that want to keep an eye on their vitals. In fact, the only other watch that offers these same exact features is the Apple Watch Series 6 and Series 7, and those that are going for literally 10 times the price of the Oraimo SmartWatch Pro. But if you're in the market for a less complicated version and somewhat cheaper version, you can check out the previous Oraimo watch. Again, link to that review will be the first link in the description below. And if you also want to pick this up, Oraimo is giving crazy discounts on their website right now. If you hurry and pick one of these up, you get about 10,000 naira off the SmartWatch Pro if you use the link down in the description below. So yeah, happy holidays once again. This year has had its ups and downs, but you guys made the ups for me for the most part, and I want to say thank you for sticking with me till this very day. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next year. Take care. So if you haven't checked that out, Now another thing I noticed was that the packaging is quite different from the one a colleague of mine reviewed a month ago, and that one had a kind of different... Fuck. Why is it so hard?